No, how do you press stop?
Press the button.
Oh no shit, Sherlock. What button do I press?
The button for stop.
There is no stop button.
No, you should have been mean to me.
Shut up.
That's what you get now.
You see that? See that? That's not me. That's her moving. See that? I really want to stop this now. Ow! That's her. Ow! That's her. Ouch! That's her. That would be her. Pretty violent, huh? Yep, that's her. Ow! Crap! Yeah, that's her. These are not stomach trick peoples. I really don't know how to press stop. I think that means pause. Meryl! So you're doing that?
I don't know how to press. Press the power button. Jeez, oh.
Why would I press the power button?
Press the frickin' picture button.
I did that. It didn't work.
Well, then I don't know what to do.
You know what?